Hello, I am Erkan and in this course I am going to teach you that how you can earn $300 to $500 a day. It is very simple process and anyone can do this with his zero knowledge. Okay, take a look at my course structure. First of all, I have the introduction section and inside the introduction section there have only this preview video. Next is affiliate marketing section. There I have placed 7 lectures. These are: what are the affiliate marketplaces and let's get acquainted with them. Number 2 is let's know if it's possible to earn $300 to $500 a day from Facebook. Number 3 is how to create a page on Facebook for promoting affiliate product. Number 4, how to increase likes on Facebook page. Number 5 is how to promote affiliate products on your Facebook page. Number 6, how to promote affiliate products to others Facebook groups. Number 7 and the last one is guidelines for affiliate marketing and how you can succeed. Next section is another way to get traffic. Here are 2 lectures. Next section is earning from Google AdSense. There are also 2 lectures. First one is how to create account on Google AdMob and AdSense and the next one is live Android application making lecture. Next section is earning from Payoneer. There I have placed 3 lectures. And the last section is bonus section. Inside this section there is a bonus lecture for you. Now watch it live. Look, this is my course curriculum. First is introduction section and next is affiliate marketing section and these are the lectures. And third one is another way to get traffic and here is those 2 lectures. And this is earning from Google AdSense section and this is earning from Payoneer section and these are those 3 lectures. And last is bonus section and this is the bonus lecture. Hope you understand the issues. Then get started.